You know, an interesting thing about our sport is that ours is not a written history. Our legend and lore is passed from generation to generation through word of mouth and storytelling. And it's in these stories that a surfer hears about that elusive perfect wave. Well, a while back, we heard such rumors, and our journey led us here to the exotic jungles of Costa Rica. Join us as we quest for our perfect wave on Surfer Magazine. If there is a tropical Camelot, then peaceful Costa Rica is it. About the size of West Virginia, this temperate paradise is known as the Switzerland of Central America. Despite the military and political turbulence of its neighbors to the north, this country has maintained the best working democracy in Latin America, and her people have taken pride in its stability since the late 40s. Geographically and culturally, the rich coast truly lives up to its name. Well, a couple of weeks ago, we here at Surfer Magazine were intrigued when we heard rumors of fantastic waves that were breaking along our shores. And in the time-honored spirit of safari, we decided to go search for them ourselves. We figured if Bruce Brown could do it when he filmed his classic, The Endless Summer, then so could we. The only catch was, Bruce had taken 2 years to find his perfect waves, and us? Well, in order to meet this show's deadline, we only had 5 days.